Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall VS Code in 2026. Whether you're switching editors, reinstalling VS Code, or simply no longer need it, removing the application is straightforward. So let's get started. Before uninstalling VS Code, save your projects and make sure any important files are stored safely. Uninstalling the application should not be treated as a backup method for your code. On Windows, open Settings and go to the Installed Applications section. Find Visual Studio Code in the list, choose the Uninstall option, and follow the instructions. On Mac, open the Applications folder and locate Visual Studio Code. You can then move the application to the trash using the standard macOS process. On Linux, the uninstall method depends on how VS Code was originally installed. You may need to use your software manager or the same package management method you used during installation. Keep in mind that uninstalling VS Code may not remove all user settings, extensions, cached files, or profile information. If you plan to reinstall the application and want a completely fresh setup, you may need to remove those remaining files separately. Before deleting profile data, make sure you don't need your custom settings, extensions, snippets, or other configuration. Once those files are removed, recovering them may not be simple. If your goal is only to fix a problem, you may not need to uninstall VS Code at all. Resetting settings, disabling extensions, or reinstalling the application may be enough. After uninstalling, restart your computer if necessary. If you later decide to install VS Code again, download the latest version from the official source. And that's how to uninstall VS Code. Backup important work first. Remove the application using your operating system's normal process, and only delete leftover configuration when you're sure you no longer need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.